Hello everyone, and today we're gonna be playing Submerged Story. As you guys can see, Submerged Story. Now this is what it looks like here. It says Submerge the Story. So this is what it looks like. Everybody's at the table. As you guys can see, this is all the pictures they have. So that's all they have, and it's by Table Flip Studios. So let's just load into the game. Open Roblox here. Here we go. So I think it's loading. Okay, connecting, configuring Roblox. So it's just gonna load here. As you guys can see, it's gonna load. So but anyways, while that loads, let's see. Yeah. So while it's probably loading right now. All right. So let's just go to so actually configuring Roblox here. Okay, so it could be loading right now, so let me just go check that. Alright, it's configuring Roblox. Alright. So it's configuring Roblox, as you guys can see. Starting Roblox. Alright, so this is gonna like take forever, you know, so yeah, okay, so there we go. Submerged Story. Okay, so oh, what did I do? Okay, so oh, somebody joined the game. Okay, it's this girl. Her name is called Maxie something. Okay, so here you go. Let me turn the sound down so you guys won't hear. So y'all hear me. So yeah. So let's go. So you want to do is enter this. Okay, so it says waiting for players. So these are the players. I'm not sure what this girl is doing. I think you could change your avatar, like you could do like commander. Pretty cool. And she left. So yeah. So you could do let's see. So yeah. So you could see the events, whatever that says. So you could do that. You could check out some more. As you guys can see, Dream One Sleep. I already know what this game is. If you guys don't, well, let's go into the submarine here. So, all right. So they said leave, and it says leave a like for more endings. So, I want like one time. So, yeah. So that's what I did. I won one time. I say yeah, one time. So, yeah. So okay, so I'm the only one in the game. Join Tab Flip Studios for 35% extra help. So as you guys can see, connecting to the server, submerge the the story. Yeah, so we're teleporting to the server. Yeah, unpacking server data. So yeah, there's my name here, Blocks Commander. I don't know why it's written like that, but it's just like that. So I don't know why, but kind of weird. But so we're okay. Oh my gosh, guys, this is what it looks like here. So this is the bathroom. As you guys can see, this is the bathroom. Grab everything. Welcome to Onboard Tour Submarine 2022. It's actually not 22, actually, so if you guys don't know that. So this is, the kitchen. Can you go in there? No, you can't go in there. Can you go in here? No. Here's the picture that, they created. They created, another game of these. So, and then they had Submerged the story, and then they have this like little red thing. I think this is where the alarm, like accident alarm. Explore the submarine. So so it says explore the submarine, as you guys can see. All right, so So yeah, so these are the adventures here. The dessert story. Oh my gosh. Uh, okay, is that a shark by the window? Guys, look at that. It's a shark by the window. Weird and creepy, but yeah. So it says run whenever you click on it. See, you can click on it. It's gonna say run. I think if you click on I'm not pretty sure the suburb. Okay, so I think that only one. Oh my god, I gotta find my seat. Oh gosh. Oh, there's the girl. I see her. Look at that. Look at the girl right there. Do you guys see her? I think she's cooking something. I can see her right now. So I can see it through the screen. So man, I wish I could break this door and get in. So yeah. I wish I could break this door and just get in. Like that's what I want to do. But oh my gosh. Okay. What the heck? Why is it glitching like that, bro? Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh my gosh, what is... this game is creepy. And what is that in the window? Look at this, guys. What is that in the window? Bro, what is that in the window? Creepy, but yeah, I better run. Okay, I don't know what that was. Can I just go in this room? The oxygen room? Oh, there it is. Okay. I don't know what that was. This is the fire can. What was that? Yeah, do you guys see my message? Gaming with Kamar, what was that? I was wondering what that was. Sorry about that. The current have seemed to shut off the lights. The light. Okay, so here's the water. I think this is supposed to be fake water. I'm not really sure. Now that we have the power back on, follow me to eat crabs for lunch. What? Crabs? I think I love crabs. I like crabs, you know. Crabs. I love crabs. Oh, in real life, I actually do like crabs. They're so good. Yes, I was just thinking about that right now, as you guys can see. Oh my gosh, you have to follow her. Okay. So she said, follow me, so she leads. Where is she? Alright, it takes you there. What the heck? Why is the crabs all the way? Bro, why are they moving? Are they NPCs? Bro, why are they moving? Are they real? Oh my gosh. Why are the crabs moving? Here. So, where is she going? Okay. Oh, for crabs' sakes. They said they killed the crabs. Well, if you didn't kill the crabs, why are they there? Kind of weird. Bro, look at my quadry right now. Look at my life right now. Look at this. I almost died from them. Okay, can we kill those crabs? Cause you know. Okay, so let's just go. Where's the crab? Where do you kill them? This girl is not even showing me. Oh my gosh, guys, what do I do? Where is it? Oh, wait, do you just follow them? Okay, weird, but okay. So I think you just follow these. Yeah, and then you clean them up. So you know what? Let's just go, because they might be in this room. I feel like they're in this room. Oh, no. They're in, like, this room. So, okay, we have to kill all of these crabs. Okay, so I'm getting all the crabs, as you guys can see. We have 7 crabs. Okay. I can't get them. They keep moving. What do I do, you guys? Okay, they keep moving. I don't know how I'm gonna get these last ones because they keep moving. Okay, we have 2 left. Alright. How many? Bruh. How do I get them? I can't even get them. Bro, it's so hard. How do you get these? Okay, I got one. Okay, last one. Okay, I got him. Okay. Okay, so now, oh my gosh, what is happening? Bro, now it's a gap. Now it's a leak here? Bro, look at this, guys. This looks like the other submarine. It reminds me of the other submarine. And look at the floor, guys. It's like so flooded. Okay, I don't know what is going on. But they're gonna need to clean like get those holes um because there has to be some way how to get stop this water from leaking. Thankfully, I gave everyone duct tape. Forget what forget what made the holes. Okay, just go fix them. Okay, okay, don't just yell at me. Okay, oh, you already had them. Okay, so all right. So let's just get them all. Okay, so yeah, so we have to get this one. Yes, all right. Because if I don't get them all, you're gonna die. So that's the thing. You're gonna die. So yeah. Oh my gosh, the water's getting filled up, bro. I'm not gonna survive. This is like a lot of holes. How am I gonna survive? The water's getting so high. What I'm gonna do, bro? I can't survive, bro. I'm not gonna survive. Okay, where's the other two? Cause I wanna survive, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, I have 17 left. All right. Alright. It's like get all of them. Okay, I can't really get all of them because I don't know. So one, two, okay, so we have these ones, more holes. Oh my gosh. I have 0 seconds. Bro, I died a little bit. Guys, I died a little bit. Oh my gosh. And it says run. I don't know why it says run when I put that on the thing. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. Actually, it's like actually nighttime actually. Uh, so yeah. Where's the picture? Okay. There was a picture of me up here, but you know, it won't show. So cause I don't have a picture up here. So yeah. Oh wow, it's midnight. We have a lot planned tomorrow. So get a good night rest. Okay, so all right, let's go. Follow me. I already know where the bedrooms is. I see him. Okay, walk if you're gonna show me. Okay, she's walking. I see your bedrooms. She's not gonna know where I am. Okay, she doesn't know where I am. Okay. All right. I have assigned everything their bedrooms. Okay, but can I get out, bro? I can't get out. This is the crazy thing. Oh gosh, you guys ready? Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, what is happening, bro? Look at this. Can you? Oh yeah, you could turn the. Yeah, you could. Yeah. So bro, what is happening? Why do I have on these clothes? I don't even have on those. Okay, the trophy, we know that's. Oh gosh. Bro, what is gonna happen? Oh my gosh. I swear, something might happen. Like, look at the trophies. Are these like from the people who wins? Like, what is those trophies for? That's kind of weird. But I don't know what it is for, you know, so. Alright, we're walking into the hallway. This is what the hallway looks like. It's kind of creepy, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, it's pretty creepy, as you guys can see. Yeah, there is the picture. I put that on there, run. So yeah, so if you guys didn't know that, you can actually do that. So okay, so let's just see what's going on here. Okay, something up there? I feel like something's up there. Alright. Bro. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why does it scare me like that, bro? That's kind of crazy. Like, why does it have to scare, like, people like that? I don't know, so. I don't know why, it just scares. Ah! What was that dream just now? Okay, so, yeah, I just had a dream right now, so I don't know what to do, because I just had a dream. You had it too? Alright. three dots, as you guys can see, three dots if you guys. Something is scaring me. So many weird things.